Welcome back to our video series to help you create a high converting Shopify store with PageFly. In today's video, you'll learn how to create any PageFly built page as your homepage. So here we are on the current homepage of this Shopify store, and we want to change it to this page. So luckily the process is pretty easy, but we will need to go back to the PageFly dashboard. So here we are in the PageFly dashboard, and what you want to do is choose the page type you're trying to find. In my case, this page was built as a regular page, and the page name is Glow Zone. So it's as simple as hitting the Settings tab, changing this to Homepage, and clicking Save. This page can now be found under Home Pages, so we'll navigate over there, find the page, and then click Make Default. Now we've navigated to the old homepage, and if we refresh the page, we should see it's changed to the newly set homepage. And it's as simple as that. And if you want to remove this new page as the homepage, you can either opt to come back to the dashboard, find the page, and click Unpublish, or you can find your old homepage and then click Make Default. Now we can head back once more and refresh again, and the previous homepage has been restored. So that is how you set any PageFly page as your homepage and how to remove it again. Don't forget you can reach us on our 24-hour support line within the PageFly dashboard.